Morning world, it's about, I don't know, 9-10 o'clock in the morning. It's Sunday the 3rd of March 2013. This isn't me. I'm recording this 2 days ago. I'm actually down in North Cornwall doing a bunch of readings and hopefully getting blown about by the sea and the wind. There's a lot of caves down there. This is the third bit of the mythology, where it comes from. After Zeus became established as king of the overworld, he married Juno stroke Hera, depending which version you read, whom was seen as his sister, but in truth was probably the queen of the more matriarchal side. Certainly Juno stroke Hera's marriage to Zeus stroke Jupiter is seen in many circles by the more psychological and historical astrologers as the symptomatic and symbolic of the fall of the matriarchy. By this time, we're looking at about, I don't know, when are we looking at? We're looking at about 1000 to 500 BC. At this time, we're starting to see a lot more meaning given to the positions of the planets in the skies, and not just the angles between the big planets, which is setting the big picture, but also the smaller planets. And these were given the attributes of the children of Zeus. For example, the red planet, which we know as Mars, became Mars or Aries in Latin. It's obvious that because it's red and because it moves quite fast, it's got quite a dynamic energy about it, and it's seen as Aries the warrior, Jupiter's headstrong, rash, impulsive child. There's Mercury, Mercurius, Hermes, the fast-winged one, the one with ankles round his ankles, with wings round his ankles, another child of Jupiter, the messenger. And of course Venus, the first female child of Jupiter and Hera. Venus stroke Aphrodite, the beauty, the love. These were the children of Jupiter, but there's others in the pantheon which we don't as yet fully acknowledge in astrology. There's the asteroid pantheon for sure. There's asteroids with a major level, such as Pallas Athene, Zeus's warrior sister, the female equivalent of Mars. There's Hestia stroke Vesta, the priestess, the center, the fire at the heart. There's Ceres, from where we get cereals, the great mother, the great goddess, she who nurtures, provides and feeds. And there's Juno herself, stroke Hera, relegated to an asteroid in terms of value. But still, the asteroid, it takes a great deal of pressure off of Venus. It releases Venus to become more around value and worth, because Juno is all about courting, one-to-one interaction, mating rituals. And then, of course, there's the minor asteroids. How some of these work, I don't know, but those that particularly speak of ancient Greek or ancient Christian mythology do seem to have some type of rather strange effect. For example, individuals with a strong Icarus conjunct Mars, you're going to see them with loads of burn marks and scars and cuts. Icarus opposite Saturn, these are the ones who break bones regularly. Why? How can this be? And then there's Eros. Wherever Eros is, I have Eros on top of my Mercury. I'm in love with words. Very powerful symbology here, and it's all to do with the Greek myths, and the accuracy of this can be precise. This points to a larger way of understanding than can be rationally explained by modernistic science. And here we have to start bringing in the quantum effect. But that's too much for today. Catch you later. Bye.